Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at CHAP brand Total Hydration Blood Orange Flavor Set Non-Tintin 3-in-1 Lip Care Lip Balm. So, yeah. I know you can't tell, but let's see if we can get this inside of here. There we go. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Then, it's actually CHAP brand. So yeah, it's 3-in-1, so it's supposed to be moisturizing, rejuvenating, transformation. Yeah, okay, whatever. The flavor sounds, blood orange. I'm trying to get it where you can see the ingredients. Hopefully you can. If not, then just pause the video to read all the ingredients over here and stuff. And they do have the website, which is very, very tiny print down here. Right there's the website, chapstick.com. I'll just put the website link down below in the description. Just check the description, scroll on it, scroll down the description. Link will be right there. Click on it and take you to the website. How that stuff works. So yeah, hopefully you can see a little bit better of what they mean by the 3-in-1 lip care. Net weight 12 ounces or 3.5 grams. So yeah, let's open it up, take a look at it, see what it's all about. So that's kind of how it looks. Oh wow, we don't even have to put a seal. And the seal on this is garbage. Let me go grab another one and show you what I'm talking about. It's almost like this Carrots one. Well, actually the Carrots one actually has slightly a better seal on it. You can hear that little sound on the Carrots one. On the actual chapstick one, there is slightly a little less of that sound. Which, I don't really like that, how these ones are like, okay, they're like tubes, we're going to give you maybe 1 or 2 more ounces than the, weather twist push-up stick ones. But security on the cats, yeah, they just come off way too easily. Maybe if they could kind of do a thing where they could kind of push in and then twist a little bit to lock it, where even if you pull up, they won't come up. Maybe just a little bit where you can get your fingernail in there, and that's about it. And then you push down a little bit and then twist and turn and pull them. That would be a way better lock mechanism. Or maybe something that you could actually twist and it will kind of go down as you twist it to lock it. Anything's better than what they have with, these freaking stupid designs. Because, I mean, you put them in your pocket, you put them in your purse, it's all over the place. Yeah, so, don't know why a lot of these chapsticks want to go with this design. I mean, they could go with, just a regular traditional one that, you just pull off the cap and then you just twist it to twist up and stuff. I mean, they still got the weather, twist design. But, yeah. This whole casing, or top casing is just completely stupid. So yeah, let's take a look at this one. So, it's just a wear cover. Because I know someone might say, well, if it's like a blood orange, is that going to be like, the lip balm that they have now that is almost like lipstick. Like, you don't need to apply lipstick because it's like lipstick. And, a lot of guys will be like, okay, lip balm, it's something that we could use, but, we don't want to have lip balm that makes it look like we're wearing lipstick. Because if we do, we might as well just get the lipstick, am I right? Yeah, well, I'm not going to wear lipstick, but, if I want some lip balm, because, winter's going to be coming up pretty soon. Chapped lips, cracked lips, I don't want my lips to look all like Frankenstein. So, yeah. But I know, that might scare some guys if they're like, okay, it's supposed to, be like moisturizing, renew, transforms. Okay, whatever the heck that means. And then, like, blood orange, okay. But yeah, this one, I know the citrus in a way, but it does say non-tinted. So, as you can see, it looks just like whatever chapstick, lip balm. Scent-wise, let me smell this. It kind of smells like orange. Actually, it kind of smells like a cross between an orange, very light on the orange part, just, whether orange, and a grapefruit. I'm getting a little bit more of a grapefruit scent to it than, an actual orange, that you have for orange juice type deal. Like that type of orange. But another thing that this kind of smells like is, like the e-liquid for vaping. Like the vape juice. That, you put in your little vape device and then you start vaping. That's what this actually kind of smells like. Now, I know some people might be like, well, does it smell like the stuff, the tobacco for the hookah? Like the shusha or whatever? That, I can't remember. It's been a long time since I smoked a hookah. But you know what I mean. Like that type of tobacco? Yeah, a little bit, but it smells very much more to the vape juice for the e-liquid that vaping has now become a lot popular. It smells more like that stuff than the hookah. But I still would say it does smell close to a hookah tobacco. But, obviously a little bit more of the vaping one. Orange, not really. Maybe a slight of a blood orange, but grapefruit definitely. Now, if they made this in a vaping e-liquid juice, oh, I'll definitely buy that and be vaping on that stuff. I mean, that would just be pretty tasty. Actually, this smells like, if they did turn it into like e-liquid for the vape juice to vape with, it would definitely smell and taste pretty tasty to vape it. I mean, yeah, like I always said, if they do that, which, vape companies, if you're watching, you should be doing it. I definitely would buy it, do a review on it, and I'll probably like it. Because, I mean, who wouldn't want to vape a little orange juice in the morning for your morning vape? I know I would. Definitely be vaping. Get up in the morning. No time to actually grab breakfast. No time to actually grab a cup of orange juice. Just, I'm good. So, how does this one work? Yeah, actually this one works pretty good. And what I mean by that is, when you apply it to your lips, it goes on good. I mean, there's other brands like the Carmex one, the EOS brand. There was some other brands that, it felt like those glue sticks that you have when you're growing up in school. That, you take them, you turn them, you put it on a piece of paper. They don't really want to go on the paper. They dry out and stuff. That's what a lot of these felt like. But it's like, Did I actually go down to squat and pick up a glue stick by mistake? That's what they feel like. But then you got other ones that are just like so greasy that it's like, did I accidentally get up in the morning and grab a stick of butter with butter on my lips? But definitely, this one's a cross between the two. I mean, it's got a horrible design for the case. The scent is actually got an okay scent. And it's not too dry like a glue stick. And it's not too greasy like, an actual good one, which is lately nowadays hard to find to actually get it to apply on your lips. So this one's actually applies pretty good. I mean, like I said, the case is horrible. Scent is good. It's not too dry like as a glue stick one. And it's not too greasy like this one. If a glue stick and a greasy one got together, this would be the one that they make. These are the two that you want to go, bye bye! This is the one you want to say, hello, I'm keeping you. So, yeah. Yep. So there has been the unboxing review of CHAP 3-in-1 Blood Orange Lip Balm. Remember to rate, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks.